Okay, this how-to video is going to go through some of the changes that Cadence have made at 17 to QAR5, which was a hotfix 31, and it's mainly to the main the design canvas, so some of the interfaces. So what you'll notice to start off with is there's now a start page that's available for you. So shortcut buttons for new and open designs. There's a default demo board for any new users. This will be the board that you can click on and open up and have a look at. And then there's some links to some best practices. Now this start page can be customized, so you can see here we've actually customized this to add a parallel systems content link, and then this would take you to a page that effectively has all the links to the PCB editor user guides on the parallel systems webpage. There are some preferences for the start page. So if we look under setup, user preferences, and then if we go to the UI, and then there's a start page. So there's an option to physically disable it, so if you wanted to turn it off, there's an option to have it always show, so that would be the start, it would always show with that start page, or you can actually browse to use a different start page. So you can see here I've got one in my local directory, and it's just some modified files. So if I go to my home directory, so by doing that I can literally just go %home% in the address bar, go into the PCB EMV folder. I then have a start page folder, which is where my parallel systems HTML files are. So if you wanted to get involved with that, there are app notes available for you to have a look at. If you go to the Cadence support site, you can find an app note about how to customize and make your own start page.